Okay, welcome back. I'm Mitz, and this is the P8Y MICTUNING 6-gang auxiliary switch follow-up video. This is part 2. Part 1, which I'll link to below, was a full install which I did in the Jeep. We covered everything from the unboxing through the wiring and setup. This video is more about the features. I'm going to go into the 6-gang auxiliary switch itself, show you how to program that, also show you the app, and inside the app what you can do. So first, it's pretty easy. You can see where I have my switch mounted. It's just underneath the light switch. And from the panel itself, it's off. By turning it on, it lights up. If I press the 4th button, you'll notice my front lights turn on. If I press it again, you notice they turn off. Programming the 6-gang in multiple modes is really easy. Press and hold the mode button. The pad will light up. Press the button you want to change. The light above the button will change. Press mode again. When I press the button, you'll notice that the lights are momentary on. Press the button, release the button. Press the button, release the button. That's one mode. So the next mode, you just press it again. Press mode, press the button, and now we're on flash. So the first mode is constant on. The second mode is momentary when you press and release. The third mode is constant flash. Turn it off, press and hold mode, press the button one more time, press mode, and the 4th mode is flash. So this sets up a nice strobe feature, which you can see this can come into value for ground lights, for rear lights, or for indicator lights. Press the button again, hold mode, go back to the original color, press mode, and now it's on, off. So that's how easy it is to program the 6-gang switch itself. And again, you can do this for each button, so you can program it, customize it, and do everything you want. The other piece which I want to highlight is, once again, hold mode. We're going to change this button. And if I press the button on the remote reflects the changes that are on the panel. This way everything is working together. If you set this to strobe, this will be on strobe. So the changes all sync up and it's instant. Now we'll take a look at the app. The MICTUNING app covers all the bases as well. From the landing screen, you open up the device that you have. You will get a color wheel and all the buttons. Each button is functioning. If I press the button, you'll see the lights come on. Press the button, the lights go off. What's nice is you can then customize your entire panel by changing anything on the color wheel. And that'll change the whole palette of colors. You should see it changing right behind me. Now, if you want to get even more custom, if you hit the pluses at the bottom, you can choose your custom colors and have your palette there. Back on the screen, the other options, if we go right back to the main screen, at the bottom you have a link to all of the MICTUNING videos, which cover their accessories and features. You have a shopping cart, which will go right to their products page. And then you have a profile tab where you can set up all of your information specifically for your devices. Back to the main page, back to the auxiliary panel. There's a slide bar at the bottom, which you can move, and it changes it to a flashing intensity and definitely adds a strobe effect. You can make it as fast as you want, or you can have it not flash at all. I'll leave mine to not flash. I also want to point out inside the app, if you click on mode, you can get further into the buttons and customize them even more. It'll show you each mode. You have constant, momentary, flash, and strobe. From there, you can choose each button. You can add the logo inside the app, and you can change the description. This is nice and handy if you want to control it from your phone. And by pressing the one button at the bottom, it rotates it, so if this is sitting on your dash or you have it in a mount, it makes it very accessible for all the buttons. So that rotates the screen and makes it full. It is this button right here under the button in the middle. Full screen, nice and easy. Everything works right from the panel. So as you can see, the MICTUNING app functions really well and has a lot of cool features that should help you out customizing your device. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Mitz, and again, the P8Y control panel follow-up video covering the features, the app, and all the settings. To watch my install video, I'll link to that below, and all of the information I've covered today will also be in the description. Have a great one. See you in the next video.